How to recover Google Photos deleted from trash. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to recover Google Photos deleted from trash. So if you want to recover the Google Photos that's deleted from your trash, then what you need to do is go and open up your Google Photos app and go to collections and then scroll up, go to bin. Here you can find all the photos and images that's deleted, and here if you press the restore button, this will be deleted. And you can also see right on top 29 days left until permanently deleted. Now if this photo has reached 30 days, then it's going to be deleted permanently, and there is no way you could go and restore the photos that has been deleted from the trash. However, you could always do this procedure, that is, you could always back up your photos to different Google account. In my case, I have a multiple different accounts, so I'm gonna go ahead and locate my backup first of all. And if I go ahead and toggle the backup on here, I could go ahead and change my Google account and then find this particular photo in a different backup account. So this way you could recover Google Photos deleted from trash. Apart from it, there is no other way you could go and recover Google Photos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.